On Wednesday this week, we inaugurated a project, an 11.8 kilometer road, Oko-Jumbo link road. It's a road that connected Omoma and Ichie. And we make very bold statement there to say that very soon we will be going to Omoma to also inaugurate another project. And we challenged them that the project we are going to commission on Omoma is the first project that they are seeing. A few days later, those people who felt that the only way they can survive is social media and to sell dogs. I wonder why you go to school, your parents will spend money and the only profession that you choose is to be a data boy and to sell dogs. If they love you, the appointment they gave to one boy, I don't want to call where it's from, and you were good, why didn't they give you the appointment? Yeah. Go and check yourself, something is wrong with you. It's not about coming to abuse people. Think about your life. Are you living a quality life? Even if you're asked to abuse people, at times you say, what will people talk about me? Knowing fully well that what I'm saying is not true. I stand here to say that even if there was a project commissioned at that time, it was a farm road. It has no connection to anything. The project we are commissioning has significance. I understand the emotion that is being displayed here today. I feel for this great kingdom. When the SYMFONI was talking, a lot of you don't understand what happened. Because of their support for me, he was arrested, charged for false accusation, detained in police custody for more than 4 months, himself and Cassidy. We're not even talking about my chief of staff. Because of the support that he has publicly displayed, he was even declared wanted so that they can maybe reduce our influence. But the truth is always very clear. Enemy has a time. His steam cannot last forever. Amen. And I can assure you with all boldness today that they are gradually coming to an end. What we just need is to be patient. We have promised that our tactics will be following this process with patience and the fear of God, and we'll get there. So SYMFONI and other traditional rulers here who have suffered in the course of supporting us, your request for recognition of others too will be granted. As for the internal road and other things, you already know the story there. The person the job was given to, wonderful young man, but doesn't have the boldness to look at truth and tell the person, look, what you're doing and what we are doing is bad. So I feel it will be wrong for me to continue to sponsor somebody who has come openly to declare himself an enemy of the state. So that project, I believe the Minister of Works was written to them. I'm going to cancel it officially and re-award it for the completion. Thank you. I know they're always working, looking for a way to find one reason or the other to attack you. But please, avoid any cause to give them opportunity to start running around here with, I don't want to call the people, you know them, they start with P, to start disturbing the peace of this place. We're entering into a festive period. Enter it with all amount of joy, knowing fully well that our government has its mantra as of today, the people